Donors to the foundation, they are the foundation of the foundation. And with regard to donations, if we had more, we can do more. We can impact more students. We can impact more seniors. We can impact our community. And everyone benefits.
One of the reasons that we need funding in order to do what we do is because we want to do a first-class job. You cannot provide high-quality care unless someone steps up to the plate and puts the resources in our hands to do that.
Sometimes people hesitate when they see an organization that has an endowment or that has large donors, but every donor is important to us because it's all about the conversation.
One of the unique things about the foundation is that in addition to the yearly grant making that they do with nonprofits in the community, they also take on some special projects and they rely on donor dollars to do that. So one of them is the Greening Coatesville initiative. It's something I'm really excited about. The company I work for, ArcelorMittal, supports them and will continue to do so in the future.
Making a donation to the Brandywine Health Foundation, you can be assured that your contribution is being used properly, is actually creating good in Greater Coatesville, and is being managed by a very professional team of staff members and a board of directors that's providing oversight and leadership to the foundation.
I have to tell you, I've been involved in a number of nonprofits, and I've not been more impressed with any other nonprofit that I've ever seen than the Health Foundation in terms of how important they view their job of protecting, preserving, and growing the funds that are donated to it. If you're looking for ways to contribute to Coatesville and to the Health Foundation, I'd encourage you to think in terms of both dollars as well as time and talent.
The donations and the donors in the community, we've been blessed and fortunate to have their support.
With all the different projects that are out there, all the requests that are made, it just makes it a lot simpler for us to have supported and to continue to support the Brandywine Health Foundation, because they can do a lot more through their efforts than we could possibly do.
The donors to Brandywine Health Foundation in particular, I think, can feel very, very proud of not just the end results, but the leadership that the foundation has shown in the community.
Now that we've transitioned to a new CEO, I think she has a vision of taking the foundation in a broader general direction in terms of the mission of providing health, making Coatesville a vibrant, healthy community, can be facilitated through partnerships with other organizations that can actually then carry out the programs that the foundation has historically carried out itself.
Our partners and our donors are critically important to the success of the work that we do. We like to identify donors that have common interest in terms of where the foundation is moving in the future. And so having those common interests with donors enables us to be able to invest in the community in a strategic way.
I would like to take this time to thank the donors who provided financial assistance to make sure that this collaboration is a success.
Thank you. By donating to the Brandywine Health Foundation and funding programs like ours at ChessPen, we're able to help in a variety of ways.
To anyone who are donors of Brandywine Health Foundation, because of their generosity, we are grateful because we're able to make sure that families have access to health care, and we can continue making a difference in this community.
Public Citizens for Children and Youth is grateful to the funders of the Brandywine Health Foundation to make the work that we do possible.
I want to say thank you to the thousands of donors in the city of Coatesville and vicinity and throughout the community for your help in helping us achieve the mission of health and wellness for all citizens in the city of Coatesville.
For all that you do in terms of service, for all that you do financially, and just the fact that you're thinking of the foundation and believe in the foundation and what the foundation stands for. I'm so grateful. And all I can do is just say thank you, thank you, thank you.
We have a responsibility. You know, there's a verse in the Bible, I'm paraphrasing, it said, to whom much is given, much is required. And so those of us that have a responsibility to give.